everyone, this is Sheetal Sapan Matre, and I'm sure you clicked on this video because you saw the title, how you can become famous or how you can get fame. So tell me guys, in school when you used to do something absolutely wonderful, your teacher used to draw stars on your palms, or she used to give stars on your book. As you grew older and you started working in a corporate, and if you have been doing a phenomenal job, your superior would be saying to you or to others that you are the star performer, right? When you dress really amazing and you walk with confidence, your friends would be telling you, hey, you are shining like a star, or you look like a star today. People who are famous are called stars in their respective field, isn't it? That's why the star card in tarot can be used to give or to achieve the fame that you truly desire. So what you can do is, you can take a star card. First, connect with the star card. Now the star card, if you see, let me bring it closer to the camera. As you can see, it's a very beautiful image. There is a one main star which is energizing the 7 stars. These 7 stars represent the 7 chakras of your body. The lady in this picture is naked, which represents innocence. She is pouring water both in the water element, and also she's pouring water in the grass, which means she's nourishing both her conscious and subconscious mind. The place where she is pouring water on the grass, it is dividing itself into 5 rivulets, which represents our 5 senses. The bird in this image is ibis, which represents the Egyptian god Thoth, who is the god of magic, writing. So overall, a star card represents fame, spirituality, something that will inspire you, nurture you, and much more. The detail of this card meaning I will be covering in my tarot workshop, which I'm going to start from 19th March 2021 onwards. Now coming back to how you can use this card to create magic in your life. First and foremost, you need to just focus on this card every day for a minute at least. Just look at the card, see the picture in the card, the colors, then try and understand what this card is trying to tell you. You will get some message, maybe like, hey, why don't you contact so and so? Or hey, why don't you get a haircut done? Or hey, why don't you color your hair red or brown or something like that? Or why don't you change your dressing style? Or why don't you become more confident? Why don't you realize your self-worth? So some guidance you will get when you will keep on looking at this picture. After that, once you have connected with the card, ask the card to help you. You can just say, dear God, Goddess, the energies of the star, I pray to you to bring in positive fame and luck in my life. As you also know that we all say that, hey, if things are going good, what do you say? My stars are shining bright. My stars are in my favor. So when you focus on the star card, you're also drawing in the positive energy of your own stars. Apart from this, you can keep this star card as your mobile phone wallpaper, your screen lock, your WhatsApp DP, your Facebook DP to attract more positive energy from the star card. So this is a simple method that you can do to get fame from this tarot card of star. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you wish to register for my tarot workshop, you can WhatsApp my team, that is send a message on WhatsApp to my team on 9820 533 750. The content of the tarot workshop will be shared in the description column below. You can have a look at that too. And for further details, you can WhatsApp my team. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Sheetal Sapan Matre. Take care. Bye-bye.